Hey guys, welcome. That was very jazz hands. Hey guys, what is up? It is your girl Kendra back with another video. Today I'll be doing my everyday go-to makeup routine for when I want to look a little bit put together or I'm in a super rush to get out the door. This is what I do. I hope you guys like it. If you are not already subscribed, please subscribe down below. It would really mean a lot to me. So without further ado, let's get right on into it and see barefaced Kendra. Right, let's get this party started. So I'm gonna put on music and we are going to quickly get ready. Alright guys, so I'm going to do a voiceover for this section. I've already completed my skincare and now I'm going to start off with MacStrobe Cream in Gold Light. I like to apply this before I apply my Fenty foundation. This just helps give it a little bit more of a glow that shows through. I want to start off with a damp beauty sponge or beauty blender. And I'm using Fenty Pro Filt'r Hydrating Longwear Foundation in the shade 230. Guys, I'm also sorry for some parts with the high exposure. I'm new to all this, so I apologize. Next, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Concealer in the matching shade as the foundation, 230. Next, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Tantour in the shade Fair to do slight contouring. And for this, I found the best way to apply and blend it in is with a damp beauty sponge versus a brush, in my opinion. Next, I'm going to be taking Milk Makeup Blush Stick in the color Work. Next, I'm using the NYX eyebrow pencil called Fill and Fluff. And I have this in the shade Ash Brown. And then once I'm finished with drawing in my eyebrows, I like to use the Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel and Mascara. I have this in the shade Blondie Brows. I like to use that. And then after, I use the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. Make sure that them eyebrows ain't going anywhere. Next, I'm taking my Fenty eyeliner. I love this stuff. It's amazing. I'm just putting a little bit on my waterline and then smudging it on my lash line. For a lip product, I am using the Buxom lip liner in Dolly Danger. This stuff is very creamy, lasts a long time, and I love it. Lastly, guys, we're finishing off the makeup look with my Maneater mascara by Tarte, and that is it. Alright guys, so that completes my quick, easy, everyday makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like. If you're not already, please subscribe to the channel below for more videos. Bye guys, we'll see you in the next one. Wait, you're still here?